Hey, what's up YouTube? Chris Gardiner here. I just got a question on this video of mine, demo footage, JVC, and I've had this question before, but it was how do I show this before and after with these bars moving in post? It's a pretty easy process, so I was just going to walk you through that. And you can also see it on another video I did recently. Here, showing a little sky swap in Final Cut Pro with a tracked sky. So let's jump into Final Cut Pro. I will show you how you can make a little before and after comparison on your own. All right, here we are in Final Cut Pro, just with a project I have already spooled up here that I'm working on today. And let's just use that for our purposes. I'm just gonna make us a little clip. You can see some effects on. And if you don't edit with Final Cut Pro, using your shortcut keys, you are definitely missing out. This will speed you up so much if you are not already doing it. But that's for a different video. Okay, so this is what we have here. Let's give it a little stabilization too, because I know there's a little jitter. This is pretty walking on the road here. Okay, just like the video I showed you, we will do a before and after using some exposure and color grading. So let's put one of these up, and one will act as our before and one will act as our after. I'm going to turn off this top one and work on this bottom one. So let's start with just a little bit of lightning in here because it's real estate. They like it bright. And just pulling in a tiny bit of the snow there, and let's just give it some So we're just going with some prominent effects so that we can really see the difference in our before and afters. All right, so let's say that is our working point. Now let's turn this layer back on. And this is our unadjusted layer. Now we will use the trim tool. And there we go. I always find it easier to grab here than using the handles at the edge. Sometimes, right now it's not too bad. It's oftentimes they're sitting right here and it pulls on this thing instead. So we start off first frame, first position. Let's give that a keyframe. And then, wherever we want our animation to terminate, I think we should do it before this action happens. And there you have it. There's your before and after effects. And that's all there is to it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. I have some more videos on the way. Let me know what you want to see more of. Take care.